If AJ can get anything other than 4th place, I'll be so proud of him. He's gotta get first. You're off of the course, AJ!
I know.
I'm real speed.
It's time for me to catch up. Goodbye.
I'm back.
Unless I royally fucked up, I got this.
Fucking game just like.
I forgot how to coffin.
Oh god, I royally fucked up. I royally
RT,
fucked up.
LT, and then
X and A.
X and A.
AJ, come back here. AJ, come back.
Why?
Because my ego is so low, I need this win. Just like I kicked my ass too much earlier.
I'm fucking passing by Junior. Okay, no, I'm slowing down.
I have to beat Gabriel at least.
No more, I'm gonna bust my ass going too fast.
Dude, AJ got second.
I know.
Junior, you fucking failed me if Jessica wins. Where the fuck is Jessica? Oh
She's
no, it's gonna be like the last video again. It's gonna be like the last video again.
Gabe's getting slightly turned on.
I don't see a point in. I don't see. Oh!
Why'd your character change every time?
That's the plan. I haven't played it in a while. Leave me alone.
2 days isn't a while.
I didn't play with Jessica yesterday.
You said you played yesterday.
Dumbass! You fucking.
You fucking.
I tried.
Oh, I'm retarded. I thought Jessica had 50 points and Junior just died. Huh? I don't. AJ, just kickflip. Kickflip. Dual barrel.
I'm back.
Oh fuck.
How did I take the fucking round? I fucking failed most of the time.
Bail. Bail. Bail, you won't. No balls.
No balls, bail.
Why?
She's still gonna win.
I won't bail, I know that. Jessica, what are you gonna do whenever I pull up at your house wearing this shit?
Call the cops.
You call me a sexy man. Soda drinking hat. Knee-high socks.
He was number 1!
I don't like this.
Okay, AJ, you got this. As long
AJ
as
can
you
barely
believe in
even get
yourself.
fucking 700.
AJ, if you believe in yourself.
Nothing's gonna happen.
Pull out God mode. Pull out God
Remember
mode.
what we taught you.
Remember.
Remember who you are.
He said I remember. I thought about fucking the Lion King. Remember.
I was remembering too hard.
Yes.
I think
It's
we're all
time,
winning except for
Junior.
you.
It's 7,000 points. You're pussy. You didn't do another kickflip. You should have jumped, dude. You should have went with it. Oh. I don't understand how Junior got over that.
I jumped.
Why are you guys gonna start a challenge when I'm not there?
I didn't know you weren't there.
You did not hear me say 1 second and then put my headset down? You stupid bitches.
Yeah, I didn't.
This is why you're gonna lose shot.
Yes, I hope you guys do lose.
It just goes on the edges.
This is something they had, AJ. No offense, AJ.
What?
Nothing.
What kind of boss lady said so much that I probably
You didn't see that. Where's the trick supposed to be?
one leg
Just do the best trick. It don't matter what trick you do.
Oh shit.
This is my railing. Oh no! You didn't see that. You didn't see that. You didn't see that.
Well, we know what
Press the LB. Hold LB.
From that edge, did you not get that part?
Okay, so AJ got 800 points.
Oh!
I did.
She hung up again.
I know. She doesn't want. Bro, what the fuck? How do I suck so fucking bad?
Cause you're not letting me tell you.
Fucking Gabe.
Did you see me fucking...
I saw that game.
Shit. Take me back up.
Oh my god, I can never accurately get on that.
Fly me to the moon.
You see?
Hey, just how about you
200
start
points.
playing
She's
so
learning.
I don't get...
She had the
But
controller,
wait.
and if I took it away
Jessica,
from her, she'd be a
Jessica.
little skinny baby, turn off the Xbox. Now tell me.
What are you gonna do? Shit your pants and come?
Yes. Is that an option?
It's an order.
Fuck.
Barely. Barely had it.
I keep grinding on it, but I can't land the actual trick.
Or you gotta grind that bitch.
Ride that pipe. I'm sorry, I had to say it. I had to say it.
No!
Teach me how to play.
Okay, watch my fingers. Watch me fingies.
Hey, Junior.
Patrice.
Keep making fun
I'm
of
still
yeah,
making
that's
my
it.
room.
That's
I
it.
just wanna
Hollow
play
Meat
this.
team.
Junior, no!
One
No,
time.
Junior, no one's making...
Y'all are making fun of me.
Junior, you're fucking
That's-
ass.
Y'all are
No,
making
fuck
fun
you.
of me.
I'm about to go back in my room. I just want to
Junior's
play
a little
like
bitch.
I am
So salty.
Junior's a little,
Okay.
Junior's a little 5-year-old, bro.
I
He's so
low-key don't
salty,
really
dude.
wanna
Yeah,
learn,
I
but, like,
am.
kinda